Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another whole body weight workout. Today, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do some aerobics to sort of warm up before beginning the strength training part of the workout. I do about 15 minutes before beginning strength training, just to get my heart rate up and to get prepared for doing the strength training workout. So it's always good to do this. You can also do a warm down after your exercise to just get your body prepared for coming down after the exercise, to basically a warm down after the exercise. So it's easy to just start out with, some aerobics. Just, get hands up and knees up, like so, just to get your heart rate going. And I usually mix it up with some boxing and some martial arts too. But I begin with some, ab exercises, some aerobics, and also exercises that work the abs area and the obliques. So like these side to side, swing your legs exercises are very effective. Okay, then we can do like the Apsara, call it the Apsara exercise. I also do these during my ab workouts. They're very good for the abs, burning fat around the ab area. And then do your knee lifts. Put your knee up to your elbow. Also good, very good for the abs and the obliques. Okay, then let's go back to these. Just kind of lift your knees up. Lift your arms up. Get your heart rate going. In the morning or in the afternoon. Okay. Yourself a bit of energy. Get that blood flowing. All right, and then side to side. Swing your leg from side to side. Target the oblique area. Lift your arms up. Swing your hips. Back to the Apsara exercise. Okay, let's do a few of those. And then back to the knee lifts. Okay, so that's the extent of the beginning of the aerobics workout. And then I try to mix it up with some boxing, so just you're a boxer in training. Okay. And when you're doing this, obviously don't throw your weight into all your weight into it. All you're doing here is just trying to get some aerobic workout, aerobic exercise. Okay, big hook, big straight down. Okay, uppercut, straight left, gut punch, hook. Okay, and then just a quick workout, aerobic workout. Switch to the other side. Okay. Straight right, hook, punch, uppercut, hook, straight right. Okay. And as you're doing the boxing, even though it's just practice, you're not really boxing. You just kind of lean your weight forward. So you kind of lean a bit. You distribute your weight between your front foot and your back foot. Only a little bit of weight is on your back foot, and you kind of lean forward to give yourself some extra power as you're punching. Okay, and then always come back. So do my straight right, and then I push back. Because there's going to be a reaction, right? Someone's going to try and counter punch me, and then move forward. So I move back to the way of the punch. Step back only one time, and come back. Okay. Okay, and that's just a quick boxing workout. Then I can do some, if I want to do some like Taekwondo elbows, or Muay Thai or Taekwondo elbows. Okay. Do the elbow there. So I just have my feet kind of 90-degree angles. Push out. Okay. And okay. Elbow. Right elbow. Reverse elbow. Okay. Elbows are very good for self-defense. Okay. People often don't expect them. They always expect you to punch. Okay. Always breathe out as you're doing this. Breathe out as you strike. Okay? Breathe out as you strike. Okay. Very easy exercise. It's very effective too, if you're defending yourself. Elbows are actually one of the best means of self-defense. All right, and then switch to the other side, so you're getting a good symmetry balance out of the whole thing. So you defend, you hold your arms up to defend, and then it's always a good idea to really let out like a roar or yell or scream as you're doing it too. That's your warrior cry, It's make noise, Ha! Ha! Ah! And make mean faces, you're doing it too. Nasty faces. Ugly faces, Scare your opponent. Okay. So use that to your advantage. All right, and then can also do some kicks. Practice some kicks. Basic kicks. Just practice your basic kicks. Roundhouse. I'm not going to do that because I don't have enough room, actually. Front kick. and then axe kick. First kick, up, and then on, front kick. Woo. Okay, so it gives you a good, nice workout. Okay. Mouse. Kick. Axe kick. One more time. First kick. Okay, so that's one side, and then always do the other side. Always get your symmetry in there. So, roundhouse and breathe out again as you're doing it. As you're actually letting the kick go, as you're recoiling, and then you kind of let your breath go there. Front kick. Okay, roundhouse again. Don't have so much room for that one, but still can get a good aerobic workout. Front kick. Okay. Then axe kick. Okay. And then down. Kind of a sore hip there. Just kind of makes that kick a little more difficult. All right, let's try one more time. Okay. And just try to do it so you don't hit yourself. I actually injured my hip on that before, so. And then roundhouse, and then front kick. Okay. And then front kick. All right. So just about finished with the aerobic workout. Axe kick. All right. So that's about it for the aerobics workout. So just they switch back and forth between different things. Do a little bit of standard aerobics with the legs up and down, bop, 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 bop. And then you can also do a twist back and forth, whatever you want, and then mix it up with some martial arts and some boxing and some martial arts. Very easy to do, and takes only a couple minutes to do. So let me get down here. It's very quick and very invigorating aerobics workout to do in the morning or whenever you have time. And it's just mix it up. There's so many things you can do aerobically before a workout. You can just jog in place, or you can run it, like run in place, whatever. But just mix it up with your own thing. These are just some suggestions on a very quick and effective aerobic workout that you can do in under 15 minutes. So hope you enjoyed it. And this is Byron signing off. Everyone, just keep motivated to work out at home. And everyone stay strong out there. Thank you very much, and see you next time.